Dear students, today we will start with our seventh question. The question is the sum of 5 tens and 20 hundreds and 4 tens and 9 tens. We know the place value representation for the numbers. Imagine this to be one of your number series. Starts with hundreds, tens, ones. So after your decimal point, the representation is as this. The first number after your decimal point is your tens, after which it's your hundreds, following your thousands. And so on. Now, in the question, the first number is nothing but 5 tens and 20 hundreds. 5 tens is equal to 5 into 10, which is, what is 20 hundreds? 20 hundreds is equal to, you know that hundreds is the second number from your decimal point. So it can be represented as 20 into 0.01. So what you will do is you will multiply forget about the decimal point. First you will multiply the number. This is nothing but 20 into 1 is 20. After multiplying, you have to place a decimal point after two numbers. See here, in this case, the point is after two numbers, right? Even in this case, we will place a decimal point after two numbers. So the answer is 0.2. Merging both, the first number is nothing but 50.2. Now we will move on to the second number. Second number is mentioned as 40 tens, which is equal to 40 into 10, which is 400, right? Now 9 tenths, 9 TENTHs, tens is nothing but your tens is the first number after the decimal point. So it is 9 into 0.1, which is equal to 0.9. I will say you how to multiply this. Here you will multiply 9 with 0.1. Forget about the decimal point. 9 into 1 is 9. See here, the point is before the first number, right? So again, here we will place a point before the first number. So it is 0.9. Merging both, we will get 400.9. The question is to add up both the numbers. We want to find the sum of both the numbers. So we will add 50.2 with 400.9. Nine plus 2 is 11. So we have a carry here. We will write the carry in the next place and the result in the result point. 0 plus 0 is 0. We will add up the carry 1 with it, which is 1. Five plus 0 is 5 itself. So the answer is 451 after adding, which is nothing but option D. So option D is your correct answer.